how to set notification preferences in Whatnot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that you can manage your notifications in Whatnot app? I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your Whatnot app and head over to your account in the bottom right corner and then go to notifications. Now, you have to make sure that you have allowed notifications in your iPhone settings first. Now, you can manage your notifications for your buying activity. Like you can change the notifications for various options like auctions, challenges, followed users, offers, and more. You can just tap on it. And if you want notifications for auctions, you can just toggle on the push notifications. Now, let's say you don't want notifications for challenges, then tap on it and then you can toggle it off. So like this, you can manage your notifications in your Whatnot app. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.